In the heat of summer, the ice cream vendor faced the challenge of keeping their frozen treats cool while dealing with the environmental impact of CFC emissions. As temperatures rise and ice cream begins to melt, the vendor must balance the need for increased cooling with the environmental consequence of higher CFC emissions. This dilemma prompts the need for innovative solutions to maintain ice cream temperature and minimize environmental harm. Therefore, our study focused on developing the non-CFC refrigerator to assist vendors in preserving the freshness of their products while addressing the threat of non-CFC emissions. The solution not only benefit to the ice cream industry but also extend to all frozen items, emphasizing the importance of sustainability in food preservation.
We have two objectives. The first one is identify and address the various factors that influence the effectiveness of temperature maintenance within the product. The second one is assist sellers in maintaining the freezing temperature of their ice cream for an extended period under high temperature, utilizing the concept of a thermal interface.
First, you need to put an ice cream into the tin inside the product. Then, put some ice around the tin. Make sure you open the switch to make the product function. Then, you will see the tin inside the product rotate fastly.
Now let's jump into the result. Data tabulation. This is the data when we place ice cream that represent food at room temperature. Whereas this is when we place inside the non-CFC refrigerator. Data analysis and discussion. We have plotted a straight line graph. We have two different shapes. We have to compare it in order to know is it effective in keeping the environment cool for a period of time. When placed inside the non-CFC's refrigerator, delta T is lower compared to placed at room temperature. From delta T, we can calculate rate of change of temperature, ROC. By using the formula, final temperature minus initial temperature divided with time. ROC inside the product is 3 degrees Celsius per hour, whereas ROC outside the product equals to 80 degrees Celsius per hour. Since the ROC of temperature inside the product is lower than ROC of temperature outside the product, we can conclude that our product is effective to maintain the temperature inside the product and make the ice cream melt slower, or another type of food can be stored to last longer.
So, how do our research contribute in solving these problems? We have developed a simple, functional, yet cost-effective nourishment cooler without the use of CFC, based by the air circulation, utilizing the thermal insulator to help conserve heat efficiently. Our research helped reduce the risk of environmental issues caused by the CFC gases being produced to the atmosphere and the risk for the consumer for their food to rot in a shorter time, thus creating an eco-friendly container with heat-maintaining ability to help sustain the temperature for a longer duration.
In conclusion, the ice cream vendor faced a significant challenge of preserving the freshness of their frozen treats while combating the environmental impact of CFC emission. This dilemma highlights the importance of finding innovative solutions to sustain ice cream temperature despite heat fluctuation and mitigate environmental harm. The creation of the non-CFC refrigerator underscores our commitment to addressing this issue, offering a practical solution to assist ice cream vendors in maintaining the quality of their products while prioritizing environmental sustainability. This endeavor not only benefits the ice cream industry but also extends to all frozen items, emphasizing the broader significance of our efforts in promoting greener practices.
Ever wondered about the uniqueness of the non-CFC refrigerator? Here's the scoop. Unlike common refrigerator in the market, this one, portable and a lightweight design, is the perfect size to store your food, ensuring freshness and convenience. Our non-CFC refrigerator produces net worth zero of CFC gases. This means it's better for our planet, aiding in the fight against climate change. And there's more. It's not just eco-friendly, it's budget-friendly too. Our non-CFC refrigerator is cheaper compared to its counterparts. That's right, a win for your pocket and the environment. But wait, there is even more. It's a champion in energy efficiency, saving electricity like a pro. Our non-CFC refrigerator, your perfect companion for a sustainable future. Now you're in the know. For our project, we use SDG goal number 13, which is climate change. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as heat waves, tropical cyclones, reducing agriculture production and food security, increasing health risks, and more.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
These verses tell us what if we really believe in something, we should show it in what we do, like how we take care of the environment. Just talking about caring isn't good enough. We need to actually do things that show we care, like being careful with resources and not polluting. Nowadays, these verses remind us to match our actions with what we say we care about, especially when it comes to protecting the environment for the future.